Thomas Dambo, the Danish artist, has made these great giants. They're scattered throughout the world and most of them are located here in Denmark. So we will be finding all of them, but first we will head off to find the 3 in Copenhagen. And it is Sanka pacifier troll. That is the first one, and there's even one in Christiania and one in the Northern Harbour, but we will get to them as we get in there. First of all, let's take the train, which is coming here in a short while, into Copenhagen and find some trolls. We are right here at Sanka the pacifier troll, and this is a troll you want to visit if you have small kids along who needs to get rid of their pacifiers, or if you just want to see all the trolls. This is also the one you want to visit. It's located in an area called the Urban Plan, and it's a great area today, but back when I grew up it was an area that was told to be no-go. But today, great area to walk in. They have really done a great job lifting this area into something good. But back to Sanka. Sanka eats the pacifiers. So tell your kids that they can give their pacifiers to Sanka by just depositing them in this barrel. And then Sanka will eat them and they will no longer have to use a pacifier. That is the point of Sanka the pacifier troll. And it is troll number 71, so we are starting with a high number, but we will get all the rest. Just keep following along and remember to click that subscribe button and that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video and every time we come with a new big troll to see. Just a short walk away from Sanka we will find Green George. And Green George is located within the free city of Christiania, which is why I will not film all the way there. There are some camera restrictions due to some stuff happening there. So I will be filming once we reach Green George. So let's head off to Green George. We have reached the giant number 50. It is Green George. Green George really embodies the area he's placed in. He really embodies the free city of Christiania. It is a free place, it's a peaceful place, and it is the intentions behind it. And this sends the right signal. It's a place where recycling matters, and Green George is made of recycled materials, as are all the giants made by Thomas Dambo. We will be heading off to the North Harbour to visit the last of our trolls for today, so it's time to head off. So we have arrived at Captain Nalle. Captain Nalle, who helps people of the sea. As we can see, he's in the middle of pulling in a boat from the sea. A boat that needs help. And Captain Nalle is there to help. And he is placed right here in North Harbour or Nordhavn. He is in this industrial neighborhood, in this harbour area. You can really feel and hear and smell the harbour here. It is such an experience. It is, well, it's an experience for all your senses. And if you want to see me find plenty more of these giants and where they're located, then check out right here. And remember, if you like this video, if you dislike it, why have you come so far into it?